I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather. As a ridge of high pressure builds from the desert southwest to the plains, heat and humidity continue to increase through Friday. A few thunderstorms that are mostly non-severe may clip areas along and north of Highway 92 in eastern Nebraska tonight. After highs today in the upper 80s to the 90s, widespread highs in the 90s are likely for tomorrow and Friday. Southwest Nebraska and northern Kansas, the hottest locations tomorrow and Friday, with highs in the upper 90s to the low 100s. That heat and humidity adding to the feel of the dog days of summer, with heat index readings tomorrow and Friday of 100 to 105, possibly near 109 on Friday. A cold front ushers in the return of occasional thunderstorm chances Friday night through Monday night. Late Friday through Friday night, most of Nebraska is in a marginal risk of severe storms, a level 1 of 5, while much of north central to northeastern Nebraska are in the higher slight risk, a level 2 of 5. No washouts, though, are expected for any outdoor weekend plans. Highs Saturday through Tuesday, dropping to more seasonal levels in the mid-80s to the low 90s. For our long-term forecast, temperatures for Nebraska and Kansas and nearly all of the U.S. likely to be warmer than normal Monday through August 19th. The most likely time for warmer temperatures is late next week through August 19th. By August 19th in central Nebraska, our daytime highs are usually in the mid-80s with average overnight lows in the low 60s. Nebraska and Kansas rainfall mostly near normal the early half of next week before a change to below normal rainfall late next week through August 19th. Key weather factors driving the markets include scattered rain for the western Corn Belt, a chance of frost in South America, and steady rain in Australia. Frequent showers and thunderstorms affect the northern plains and upper Midwest, which is delaying the northern plains winter wheat harvest and possibly lowering the quality of maturing spring wheat. Rain lingers the next several days across the lower southeast with additional rainfall of 2 to 4 inches or more from Florida to the coastal Carolinas. Other areas of the U.S. remain mostly dry, aside from rain grazing the Pacific Northwest and northern Rockies. Heat is especially intense in the southwestern and south central U.S. Above normal temperatures return across much of the rest of the U.S. this weekend or early next week. Across the plains and Midwest, conditions for corn and soybeans continue to be favorable, but western areas of the plains could use some rain. Southern and central Brazil turn cooler later this week with a slight risk of spotty frost in southern Brazil. Otherwise, rain in southern Brazil tomorrow and Friday could delay what's left of the corn harvest while benefiting winter wheat that's heading. In Australia, scattered rain continues to build soil moisture and reduce the risk of drought for vegetative winter wheat and canola. Across most of the Black Sea region, drought continues the rest of this week. Southwest Russia only expects limited rain, while Ukraine sees more beneficial rain. With your check of ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.